What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? So you guys saw previously we threw the headlights on the Zenki. We got our brand new corner lights matched up, we got our engine bay done up, but anyways, now we are going to go look at this rear. You guys can see we have our old lights off, and yeah, this is how it looks. Just naked, but you guys already know we got something special, so let me take it out of the box and show y'all. Alright, so just like that, we got these brand new sets of Zenki rear. They more look like cookies, but they have the LED, nice backup light, both left and right, and then we got our centerpiece like that as well. Super sick. This kit was, I think, like 400 bucks or something like that. This is gonna look way better than how these stock Zenkis look. Plus they were cracked. Water didn't get in them, but I don't know, I just wanted to switch it up. If you guys are interested, these set is gonna be 150 bucks, so let me know. Perfect condition, besides that little crack. But yeah, now let's get those on. Very easy, super simple. So you guys know our tail lights. We have this hole, this, and the tail lights already come with all the bolt holes. You just need to reuse the nut. And what's cool is this already has a brand new set of gaskets too, so water can't get in. Sick. Alright, just like that, we got the trunk installed with the lights. So sorry, I don't have a trunk latch, so this doesn't attach, but pretty much, yep, this is what it looks like. And from the looks of it, this light, only the rear works. This on the section is only like that, so it's cool, it's whatever. Looks way better than what it would, but yep, this is how it is.